Hi everyone, hey, welcome to the world of Axis. My name is Jim Murray, and I'm with Axis Communications, and I'm at the TD SYNNEX InVision show. And today we're displaying a lot of different things that Axis does. We're not just about the IP camera anymore, but we have Axis control products. We have network audio speakers, and a new product that I want to show you today is our new Strobe speaker. So when you go to this, it has the ability to show multicolors, can be used in a lot of different scenarios, education, public sector, city surveillance, etc. But that's just one of the lines that we've come out new, and you can always look to get these products at TD SYNNEX, and we have a website there called axis@tdsynnex.com. Thanks for coming by.